Sunshine got me wishing for the moonlight. Got me wishing I was with you. Eyes are powder blue, powder blue. Dreaming, I've been dreaming of that feeling. Darling, I can stay right here, close to you, my dear, you, my dear. Oh, I got you, now and forever. As long as we're together, there's nothing we can't do. Oh, I got you, all the good and bad times, staring into your eyes. I know this love is true. Oh, powder blue, powder blue. As long as I got you.
Happy birthday, Donna!
Salamat sa pagiging mabuting magulang sa inyong dalawa, sa pagsakripisyo niyong dalawa para sa amin. Sana mababa pang buhay niyong dalawa. Masamahan niyo kami sa pagtanda din namin. Yun lang.
Hi, Ma. Thank you kasi lagi din akong may kasama sa mga kaartehan ko. Hindi lang ako nag-iisa. Kumbaga sa'yo ko lang din naman nakuha yun. Thank you kasi lagi mo kami inaasikaso. Kumbaga gumigising na lang din talaga ako sa umaga. Love you.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Hindi ko masasabi lahat sa'yo ngayon. Pero sana lagi kang masaya. Thank you sa lahat. Love you po.
It's true. Oh, powder blue, powder blue. As long as I got you. Night sky got me fighting off the sunrise. Every little thing you do brings me back to you.
Happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat, sa pag-intindi, pag makukulit kami.
Happy birthday, Mama. I'm so blessed to have you as my second mother. You've been so good to me. I remember after our wedding, and you told me na, anong tita, mama na. Sobrang napaka-grabe ka mag-welcome. Oh my God, kaya ka. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Staring into your eyes, I know this love is true. Oh, powder blue, powder blue. As long as I got you.
Thank you sa pag-intindi at saka sa pagmamahal at saka sa araw-araw na pag-asikaso sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Lagi mong alagaan sarili mo at saka huwag mong kalimutan na manalangin. Yun lang. I love you.
This love is true. Oh, powder blue, powder blue. As long as I got you, powder